Scott, and our job is to keep them in here. Anybody else is to keep them in here. That's right.
Oh, sure thing.
Last yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Hold it one more time. We're gonna start that again, Les. It's yesterday morning. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's yesterday morning. They let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked up this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down at me, Jesus? Got to help me make a stand. You got to help me make another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand, and I won't make it through another day. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking my mind because of
Starting out.
my mind got the easy time with once the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. Well, there's hours of time talking on the telephone line. Sweet dreams and fine machines and pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. One more time again. Thought I'd see you. One more time again. But I always thought that I'd see you again.
Thank you very much. It's so nice to be here at Bourbon Street tonight. My name is Les Copeland. We're here on Saturday nights now. We've got a Thursday thing going, but we're doing the Saturday night thing and trying to build it up. So when I started, there was nobody here. Then there was 5 people. Now 3 have left. That's not good. There's 2 still here. And we're going to work on keeping those 2 people here all night. And anybody else that comes in here, we're gonna try to lock the doors, keep them in here tonight, okay? And if they get too drunk, we're gonna get them a cab home. Oh, wait a minute, hold it, wait, did I say that? Hold it. Don't get drunk, is what I said, yes.
Responsibilities, yeah. I blame it on the chair. It's the chair's fault. I went and I switched the chair. And you know what happened? Same chair, man. They're all It's me, it's all on me. First page? All right.
First page,
Oh,
all the way
okay.
back. That's it. No, that's not the first page. There's two more pages. Okay. Dead flowers. Do it or die.
You know the verse?
When you're sitting there and you took up with the chair, you give me that flowers. It's easy. Come on.
No, it's not.
Okay. How about Paint It Black?
No.
How about
Yeah. Here we go.
okay.
Yes, I'm being followed by a moon shadow. Moon shadow, moon shadow. Okay, one more time, last story. Perfect, perfect. Yes, I've been followed by a moon shadow. Moon shadow, moon shadow. Leaping and hopping on a moon shadow. Moon shadow, moon shadow. And if I ever lose my hands, lose my plow or lose my land, oh, if I ever lose my hand, oh, I won't have to work no more. And if I ever lose my eyes and all my colors will run dry. Yes, if I ever lose my eyes, oh, I won't cry no more. Yes, I'm being followed by a moon shadow. Moon shadow, moon shadow. Leaping and up and on a moon shadow. Moon shadow, moon shadow. And if I ever lose my legs, I won't moan, no, I won't beg. Oh, if I ever lose my legs, oh, I won't walk no more. And if I ever lose my mouth, all my teeth, north and south, yes, if I ever lose my mouth, oh, I won't talk no more. Did it take long to find me?
The first verse now. One more time.
Alright. Yes, I'm being followed by a moon shadow. Moon shadow, moon shadow. Leaping and hopping on a moon shadow. Moon shadow, moon shadow. And if I ever lose my hands in my plow and in my land, oh, if I ever lose my hands, oh, I won't plow. No more.
Perfect.
nice ending. We got that too. City of New Orleans. New Orleans.
What city of New Orleans?
No idea. No
Do it.
clue. I have no idea what that song is.
Tennessee Waltz.
Never heard of it.
I've been waltzing with my darling to the Tennessee Waltz.
Never heard of that one either. I have, but I'm just being lazy. Okay, come on. Mama tried little lady. Next December. It's really good eclectic stuff in here. I really like it. He's a real nowhere man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his nowhere plans for nobody. Doesn't have a point of view, knows not where he's going to. Isn't he a bit like you and me? Nowhere man, please listen, take your time, listen. Nowhere man, the world is at your command. He's a real nowhere man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his nowhere plans for nobody. He's a real nowhere man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his nowhere plans for nobody. Doesn't have a point of view, knows not where he's going to. Isn't he a bit like you and me? Nowhere man, please hurry, you don't know. Nowhere man, the world is at your command. He's a real nowhere man, sitting in his nowhere, making all his nowhere plans. No, 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 no.